Meet the 31-year student and community activist helping the needy in Asia's largest slum, Dharavi. A 31-year-old student and community activist Kunal Khanna stands in a lane of Dharavi, one of Asia's largest slums. Dharavi has had more than 1,800 confirmed COVID-19 cases, and is among Mumbai's most affected pockets. Mumbai's Dharavi is known to the world as the setting of the 2008 Oscar-winning film, Slumdog Millionaire. Kunal Khanna and his team at Dharavi Diary, a group of young leaders who work to improve conditions in the slum, have been working to help those affected by the pandemic. Khanna and his team distributed essential things like bags of rice, flour, cooking oil and sugar that is enough to feed a family for 2 weeks. But his team is lack of the resources to provide for everyone and often must filter out the needy from the neediest. Each day the slum's poorest, often migrant workers originally from elsewhere in the country, line the main street waiting for food handouts from Dharavi Diary and other volunteers, groups and government agencies. For Khanna, the pandemic has highlighted how even in hardship this tightly knit community can come together to aid each other. "I live in Dharavi and I am proud of it," he said. A whiteboard with brainstorming notes on tackling the coronavirus pandemic stands in the home of community activist Kunal Khanna. Khanna is among many unsung heroes working to protect some of India's most vulnerable people from the ravages of the coronavirus and the economically devastating nationwide lockdown that has left millions unable to feed themselves. Thanks for watching. Subscribe not to miss new interesting videos. See you soon.